In this short video, we'll be looking at the Bristol stool classification. Now, this is a very interesting classification as it categorizes the stool types into seven types, and this seven types is depending on the consistency. Now, let us look at it in sequence. So, at one end of the spectrum, that is 1, you have solid stools. It starts with solid and then it ends up with liquid stools. So, 1, you have the stools are somewhat like this. So, these are separate hard lumps. These can also be called pellet stools or goat like stools, and these are hard lumps and these are difficult to pass. So these are pellet like, they are hard lumps and they are difficult to pass. Basically, they are a pain in the ass. Now 2, 3 and 4 are all described as sausage like or snake like. This means, so now in 1 you had separate hard lumps, but in 2, 3 and 4 you are going to have stools which are like sausages. So this is the underlying presence in all of these 2, 3 and 4. It's sausage like or snake like. Now what is the difference between these 2, 3 and 4? So now in 2 you have sausage like, but it is lumpy. Actually, the best way to remember this is when you pass stools every day. If you look at it and you think, okay, today's this was Bristol stool 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever. I mean, this is the easiest way that you can remember this. So 2 is with lumpy. 3 is there are cracks on the surface. 4 is it is smooth. There is nothing on the surface. Now 5 means that you're going to get soft blobs. Now if you remember, 1 was hard lumps, 5 is going to be soft blobs. So these are soft blobs. This is the difference between 1 and 5. These are soft blobs and these have clear edges. So they have clear edges. Now because they are soft, they pass easily. So it is easy to pass. Bristol stool 6, you have mushy stools. Mushy stools mean these are like this. It's like this. This is like, imagine it is like you're looking at cotton, pieces of cotton. So these are mushy with you're going to get ragged edges. So these are mushy or fluffy stools with ragged edges. And 7 is my personal favorite. These are liquid stools. There is no solid. So now the difference is, now the spectrum is 1 is solid, 7 is liquid. Now an easy way to remember this is if you go in the reverse order. So it is gradually becoming, it is initially liquid in 7. Then it starts becoming solid, so it solidifies, but it has ragged edges. Then it is still soft, but it has clear edges. Then it forms a sausage like. Then it is sausage like, but with cracks appearing on the surface. The integrity is somewhat because it has become very hard, that is why there are cracks. Like for example, whenever you look at dry parched ground, the earth cracks when it becomes dry. Then you're going to get lumps on the surface, and then these lumps, they disintegrate and they form separate pellets. Thank you.